Chapter 9 of How to Read Literature Like a Professor is about the use of weather as a symbol in books and other media. This chapter stressed that rain was always a symbol. Sometimes it's used as irony, a motif, foreshadowing, or just a plain symbol. This is true for most kinds of weather, rain, snow, fog, and many more. Though they may be used as plot devices or part of the setting, they will always serve as more than that when you look deeper. What's abnormal about rain and snow in particular is that it can mold to be the symbol that the author wants it to be. Sometimes it's rejuvenating, a sign of a new beginning, restoration, or cleansing, and other times it's about staining the character. The absence of rain can be perceived as barrenness or emptiness because land without rain is inhospitable. Here you can see that the connotation for rain is different in just a single picture. This one shows visualization of joy, and the next one is cleansing. And the person in it even alludes to God in the Bible with the position of his arms. The next ones are sadness and misery, and another biblical allusion of the rainbow, which often means hope or divine origin. And then snow is also a flexible symbol and only slightly less popular than the rain motif. Foster describes snow as clean, stark, severe, warm, inhospitable, inviting, playful, suffocating, and filthy. Many of these words are antonyms, which is proof of exactly how versatile snow is. The main idea of the chapter is that the weather is deeply important to the literary element of the story and is an opportunity for the author to tell you more about the story than what you see in just the words. So I have 4 examples. The first one is in Their Eyes Were Watching God with the hurricane that comes at the end of the book, which is foreboding and bad. And then my favorite book, The Night Circus, it starts raining when the characters realize that they've been set up and stop playing by the rules. This shows a sort of moral cleansing. In The Hunger Games, Katniss is obviously fighting with the stresses of what happened in the last book or movie, not to mention the fact that the villain is literally named Snow, so it's obviously a really strong motif. And then in The Lion King, rain was used when Simba reclaimed Pride Rock. It adds intensity to the scene and a sort of resolution to the movie. We see the rain stopping the fires and the smoke lifting, showing a shift to a calmer time and clarity. And then, so you can see it's very obviously showing cleansing and the resolution to the storyline. And washing away what happened in the past. And then in the honorable mentions, I just have a few. The first one is Inception, where it rains when the mission first starts going awry. The Italian Job, when Charlie realizes that they were set up. And then in Interstellar, when there's a drought.